Hey, my friends! Thank you for joining me in class. Oh, this feelings kit has been such a beautiful, wonderful thing that's been close to my heart. I really hope you see the potential of how it can empower you and love you and walk with you in your emotional journey. I so wish that everybody in this world had some of these oils and these empowering ways to speak to ourselves. It is absolutely one of the things that I'm going to raise my daughters with and use this in my spiritual mentoring. So oils and feelings and what we go through are such a beautiful combination. I just wanted to show you the kit and open it with you and lead you on a little meditation. First, I just want to tell you that I've had many different forms of self-care over the years. I haven't had the easiest life, from being raised by a single mama and having a troublesome childhood to, self-esteem issues as a teen and getting into toxic or abusive relationships in my young 20s and in teenage years, to finding my purpose and finding my voice and finding healing with all that. I've done counseling, shamanic work. I've done, sisterhood. Sisterhood is a great healer. Self-help books, all of it, and self-care and self-love is so many different facets of what works for us. These oils are just another layer of that, and it's probably one of the most loving things that I have found, and especially when we're learning how to take care of ourselves. So beautiful. I just want to give you hope. I want to just keep trying to find different ways for you to give love to yourself. So here it is. Here's the feelings kit. Comes in this cute little box. Take off the sleeve. Ta-da! A lot of people will put the protocol right up here. A lot of times you can write out what your goals are for if you do the protocol, and so you can kind of slip it underneath the box and keep it there and reevaluate if you plan on doing it for a month. Sometimes you can just do it whenever you feel like you need it. So I'm going to go over the oils through the meditation. If you don't have the oils, that's totally fine. Stay with me, do this, and practice some of these mantras and really visualize clearing out some of that energy. If you want to get your kit, completely message me later and we'll get you going. So we'll start now. I'm going to have you people get nice and comfortable. I personally like to sit while I'm meditating. It'll help me kind of stay alert and not get as sleepy. I want you to take some deep breaths in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Breathing in, cleansing energy. And breathing out any heaviness or stress or tension. I want you to envision beautiful divine light breaking out from the sky above you, kind of showering down through the ceiling above your head or wherever you are, and just showering and washing down onto the crown of your head and over your body, completely enveloping you, encapsulating you in a beautiful bubble of light. Where that divine light just goes through your body, all the way from the crown of your head to through to your feet, everywhere in between, and just grounds you into Mama Earth. Washing out your energy, your aura, hugging you and loving you. As you take another deep breath, I'm going to grab my Valor and place a little in my hand. Cup her around my nose. Breathe her in. I'm gonna anoint my feet. Oh, there's something so beautiful about blessing our feet and our journey, everywhere these feet take us, everywhere this life takes us. As I bless my feet, I tell myself, I am ready to transform my life. I strap on courage and bravery to face anything that life is throwing me. I harness valor and confidence as I create the life that I want. Angels, universe, give me the power I need, the courage, the bravery to pursue this life with passion and faith and hope. I'm ready to transform my life. Breathe in. Breathe out. Next, I take Harmony. Dropping a little bit in my hand. If you have roller bottles, you can roll this onto you. And we began by putting this on all of your chakras. I start here at the back for my root chakra, right there at the base of my spine. I give harmony to the foundation of my life. I give peace to everywhere I've been. Oh, my sacral chakra right in your lower back, right between your hips. Calling harmony to your inner goddess, everything she is creating. I rub her on my belly, my solar plexus. I'm giving wonderful harmony and vitality to my passion, my purposes in life. Place her on my heart. Everywhere I give and receive love in this world, everything I touch and heal, I rub her on my heart. Release everything that's on my heart. I place her on my throat and around my ears, that I might share my truth in my voice, that I can have harmony with everything I say and hear that comes into my body, that I release out through my voice. I place her on my third eye so I have strong vision, strong inner knowing through my crown and everything the universe wants to bless me with. Place harmony on all our chakras, blessing all aspects of our being. Deep breaths. Let me take this powerhouse of forgiveness. So you place her in my hand. I'm gonna rub her around my belly button, around my navel. As I release and forgive all my own past mistakes, all the times I should have listened to my intuition, or just didn't know any better. Any times I've self-sabotaged or created my own stumbling blocks, I forgive myself. I release myself. I also cut ties and give forgiveness to all who have hurt me. For life, when it has hurt me, I release those bondages, those binds, those chains around my body and my wrists, around my being, and I forgive and release and let go of those burdens out of my life, out of my being, out of my heart, and I free myself. I forgive myself and others for past mistakes. So powerful. As you breathe in and breathe out. Next, we take release. Oh, this beautiful, sacred plant angels. Place her on the right side, right underneath your rib cage, right over your liver. Deep breath and out. Universe angels, I release all negativity from my body, from my energy, from my being, from my heart. Anything that I'm carrying, I release to you to take away, to transform, to repurpose, recycle, to give back to the universe. I release anything that holds me back, anything that no longer serves me, anything that weakens my power or my self-confidence. I release this moment today and I claim my power back. I release all negativity from my body and my life. Breathe in, breathe out. Next, I take inner child. And I place this beautiful sacred oil behind my ears, on my wrists, on my heart. I let go of my past and I move into my authentic self. My authentic self is enough. My sacred being, my internal essence within this body is so precious, so powerful, so beautiful, unique, gifted, held, and appreciated by the universe and my angels, my ancestors. They all gather around me to bless my soul, to bless that precious spirit within me. May I continue to learn how to love this sweet goddess within my bones. May I let her free, let her out to play and explore and create in this life. May I bless her and guide her and listen to her and free her. May she lead me and guide me and empower me this day. My authentic self is enough. In fact, she is precious and powerful, and I witness her. We place her under our nose, smelling her sweet essence. Skipped around a little bit. We're going to go back to present time. This we place around our wrists and our ears. Oh, sweet universe, I bless today. I bless my life in this moment where I am right now, not in the past, not in the future, where I am today. May my inner child go off from this moment, this present gift, and create the life that she wishes. Present time. Lastly, again, we go back to Valor. The roller bottle here of her. And I bless and shield myself again. Wrapping it around my body, just like a shield. As I protect myself, as I create boundaries in life, as I pursue self-care and self-love. I ground my feet again. As I strap on courage to create the life that I so dream of. One last breath. I love you, dear friends. I did get off track a little bit, but that gives you an idea of what you can do with these oils. You can't do it wrong. Just let them nurture and love you and assist you in finding your own voice, your own pathway. Like I said, it's a lot of different pathways to giving yourself the love that you so deserve. These oils are just amazing. I just have not experienced something so empowering in all areas of my life, especially in my journey with emotions and letting my inner goddess out. I hope you see the power of it. Just continue to ground yourself and breathe. And I bless you. Thank you for coming to my class. And I love you. You are so loved. You have the power within you to create anything that your spirit is calling for. I love you, my friends. Have a beautiful day. Bye.